The accounting team's processing time for pay apps has gone from 5 days a month to less than 1 day as a direct result of using GCPay. Their lien release processing time has also been cut in half, saving them hours every month.
Since 2003, GCPay's mission has been to help general contractors automate and simplify the subcontractor pay app process. Our relentless focus on ease of use, accuracy, and simplicity reflect our passion about what we do. The pursuit of phenomenal client satisfaction drives continuous improvement of the pay app process and development of ERP integrations that streamline this process. We are thrilled that our clients are extremely satisfied with GCPay.
I have always experienced outstanding support from the GCPay team. It amazes me how quickly they respond every time I have an issue. Keep up the great work.
GCPay has made it so much easier for us to knock out all the problems around subcontractors, such as eliminating accuracy errors in their payment applications and requiring a completed waiver in order to submit a bill.
We ask for and listen to our clients' feedback to understand their pain points around subcontractor payments and use that to influence the constant product innovation and enhancements we add to GCPay. And our top priority is creating the most secure environment for sensitive customer data.
GCPay has helped with our long-term relationships with subcontractors. We are building stronger business relationships because working with GCPay makes everyone's lives so much easier.